Hi, good afternoon friends. Welcome back to Chair Yoga. Today let us do the chair Savasana relaxation. After every workout, we need to relax. The body needs relaxation, the mind needs relaxation. So we are going to do on the chair itself. So for that, like this, support your back on the chair back. So sit straight, sit tall with spine straight, supported with the chair back, your back. Then your hands resting on your lap. You can rest the hands on the lap, or you can put the hands on your knees or thighs like this. Then let us start relaxation. But one thing I have to say that you can relax with your yoga guru, and after getting experience you can go for the relaxation by yourself. When you are following the directions and instructions of the yoga guru, you can better focus on your mind along with the flow. So we are going to relax from the toes to the forehead. So let us start. Just sit like this comfortably. Let your shoulders fall down. You can close your eyes for better concentration, or you can open your eyes and do. Now I am doing this to show you guys I'm open with my open eyes, okay? So let us relax. Before starting relaxation, take a few normal breaths. So while you breathe in, imagine that you are breathing in pure air, filling pure air in each and every cells, taking away the toxins in it, and we are exhaling all the toxins in each and every cells from our body. So now we are pure with pure air within. Now we are going to start the relaxation from the toes to the forehead. Let us start to relax our feet. Heat circulation, air circulation, blood circulation and energy circulation are all normal in the feet. We are feeling sufficient strength in our feet. Now our feet is relaxed. Just like that, relax your legs, your knees, your thighs, your hip region, your abdominal region, your chest region, your shoulders, your hands, your neck, your face and head. So just to remind the auto suggestion we are giving, let us relax our face and head. Let me say once more what we are saying within us. The heat circulation, the air circulation, the blood circulation and the energy circulation are all regular in our face and head. We are feeling sufficient strength in our face and head. Now our face and head are relaxed. Enjoy the relaxed state. Experience the relaxed state within. For a while, means for 3 minutes, for 5 minutes, or if you are having more time, up to 10 minutes. Just relax. And when you complete the relaxation, you are going to come out from the relaxation. You just shake your feet, your legs, knees, thighs, your hip region, your abdominal region, your chest region, shoulders and hands, the neck, head and the face. And just rub your palms strongly. Feel the warmth on your face. If you are closing your eyes, now you can open the eyes gently with a gratitude to the universe for getting this opportunity to relax. Bring your hands down to the knees, and that's the relaxation in chair savasana pose. You can do this not after the yoga workout. You can do before the yoga workout, you can do after the yoga workout, or even if you can do frequent times, it is well and good for the calmness and relaxation. The benefits of it, I think I have told you earlier. The benefits are, it calms the mind, it relaxes the body, it improves the blood circulation, it creates a sense of bliss and harmony. That is it for today.